Okay, good evening to everyone here watching, and I'm going to show you how to perform a RAID in our Windows Server 2007. What we have to do is to first uh, add our initialized port SATA ports or the disks. First, in order for us to add a disk, is ready to click this Windows Server 2008. But before that, we need to turn this off first so that we can add another one. So to shut this down. Alright, I think we can add another settings here. Just click the settings, storage. You can see this plus sign here with the square one. You just need to click this add hard disk and click this create. Click next. Reallocate full size. Click next. And here we need to just adjust something according to our specified need. Alright, so we're going to click finish. Remember, this is 2.25 gigabyte, and we need to click another one here like this. This is the Windows 7 2008-9 VDI, and this is the file format of our disk. So this is a disk selector, and we need to click this and choose, and it's automatically been added. It's here, this one. So as you can see, I already have a pre-made discs of this version. So uh, the reason here is you cannot perform RAID until maybe RAID 3 to 5 if you don't have any multiple more RAIDs RAID disk. So I already previously added 5 disks, 3 to 5 disks, so we can perform RAIDs 0, 1, 3, and 5, in which that's really our primary agenda this tonight. So click OK, and then you could add a multiple disk like that. So, like I said, to perform another more RAID this until RAID 5. You cannot perform RAID 5 or higher, RAID 3 or higher until RAID 5 if you don't have multiple disks. So just proceed to another step like that, and then just click the start, and we're going to perform the RAID 0 first. Start Windows normally. Apparently, we are just still waiting for a little bit. However, we are going to proceed soon. Later. Okay, so now we're going to proceed in creating the RAID 1. For us to create the RAID 1, we need to open the computer management. Under the computer management, we need to click the disk management. As you can see, yes, since we had another disk, so this is the disk byte. We need to initialize our disk, every disk that we're going to add before performing the RAID. So click OK. So this is all of our disks here. This is the disk 5. Now, we have already performed the RAID here, but we are going to remove it and we just need to delete some volume. Yes, delete those volume. And so to perform RAID 1, we just need to click this disk and left click, add a stripped volume, click next, add one disk, click next. Alright, we just need to rename this, click next, and we'll finish. This operation if you selected, just click yes, and it then will automatically check the status of our RAID 1 and we're good to go. So this is our RAID 1, RAID 0, I mean RAID 0. I, I think I've mistakenly named this a RAID 1. My bad. Just need to rename it. So we reset the steps, but actually we just did the exact same step. We just renamed it because I made a mistake on renaming it. So this is the RAID 0. So let's try and attempt to proceed for RAID 1. So can it use this apparently? Because we can create another new RAID volume. But here, we can create a new mirrored volume here. So we just need to maybe add two more. Oh, I think only one more is needed for a mirrored volume. So maybe X, rename it to RAID 1, click next, and finish. So we just need to create status, healthy, nice. And now we're going to perform the RAID 5. Let's see if we can perform RAID 5 right now. I think not, so we just need to delete some of its volume. And here, you could click on it, any of the available disk, now allocated disk to perform RAID 5, but it needs two or more, three or more disk to perform RAID 5 volume. Click next. Add. We should add all of this. Click next. Disk C, RAID 5. As you can see, we've already clicked a RAID 5 volume because we are performing a RAID 5 volume already. Yes. It says that new RAID 5 volume. So now we're going to rename it as well as RAID 5 volume. So click finish, click yes, and let's see what we're going to happen. As you can see, it's resyncing. We just need to see the status of the RAID 5 volume. Okay, apparently it's healthy. So we have the RAID 0, RAID 5, and the RAID, other RAIDs as well. But we have apparently removed them because we are already had too much disk, and I don't want to add another disk as well. So I hope you learned something about this video and uh, discover new things here about RAID, performing RAID. So yeah, that's pretty much all, everything about RAID. And thank you, and good evening to everyone.